This video will show you how to use custom fields in WorkCover Connect. You must be an admin user to access the custom fields feature. Please navigate to the admin menu in WorkCover Connect and select custom fields. That will bring you to this page. You can see some of the test data that I'm working on. To add an additional custom field, press the Add button and this will take you to the Add Custom Field page. From the drop-down list, you can see the field type options, which are to create a drop-down list, a date, a free text, or a number field type. I'm going to select the drop-down list. This is the most useful of the field types as it allows you to set a list of values which can then be compared against each other in the new dashboard updates. So I'm going to use just a test field label here. I'm going to work on some region values. So I'm going to include region 1. You can either press the add button or enter, and that will add those to the list of values for that particular field. If I want to remove those, I can hover over and click the X, and that will remove that from my list. I'm going to save that custom field and it'll take me back to my custom fields administration page. You'll notice that the add button has now disappeared. You get a maximum of 5 custom fields. So as soon as you've used up those 5 fields, you won't be able to add any more. If you would like to add additional fields, just reconsider the fields that you've used, delete those that are not useful to you, and that'll give you back your add button. In the next video, we will look at how to set up your spreadsheet and populate data into custom fields. This video will show you how to set up a spreadsheet to import some data into your custom fields. To start off with, we need to download the claim numbers of your previous claim. So we're going to go into the Analytics menu and go to a claims data download. This will allow us to export a CSV file with all of your claim numbers so that we can then put the custom field against those claim numbers. So I've unticked everything else here. We don't need any of this other information. If you already have some custom field data in there, you may like to download that with your spreadsheet so that you can add or edit that data and re-upload it. So we're going to download that spreadsheet. As the spreadsheet will contain some information, I have included an anonymized version here for us to work from. When you download your spreadsheet, your column A will be the names of the claims, and then column B will be your real claim numbers, and then the rest of the data from your claims will be across the screen. You can delete all of the rest of that data. What we need to end up with is column A containing your real claim numbers, and then column B is where we're going to put our custom field data for our test fields. So to start off with, this is the spreadsheet we're going to import. I've got some region 1s and some region 2s, and I've left some sections blank for us to work from. So let's head back into the WorkCover Connect dashboard. We've downloaded our claims data. Now we need to head back to the custom field section via the admin menu to re-upload that data. So in the next video, we're going to cover how to add data into your existing claims and how to upload the CSV document. In this final step, we're going to populate some data into our test custom field. So from the admin custom fields menu, this will load our list of 5 custom fields. We're going to head to our test custom field and scroll across to the right where you'll find this upload button. On the upload page, you'll get a little bit of information just summarising how to set up your spreadsheet if you haven't watched the full video. You can head here to the browse option and look for your real data spreadsheet where you have set up your claim numbers on the left hand side and your region values in your second column. Keep in mind you can only upload one custom field at a time, so you'll need to repeat this process for each of the custom fields that require data. Now we'll see down the bottom that our claim cost spreadsheet here is ready for us to submit. Once we hit the submit button, this is our final chance to not go ahead if we don't want to overwrite any of our data. If you've already got custom field data against a claim number for a particular field, it will override that data. At the top, you'll see our Save Successful message. That's telling us that the file has uploaded successfully, but it doesn't necessarily mean that the data has populated correctly. There's a couple of different ways we can check. If we head back to the Admin Custom Fields menu and we navigate across to the very right-hand side, which is the Upload History icon, this will give us a little bit of history about what we've done with this particular custom field. So you'll see here that I've uploaded a total of 63 records in that spreadsheet. But 12 of those records didn't have any data against them, so the error message is just telling us that there is no data has been uploaded against those particular claims. Please contact us if you've got any more questions about custom fields.